This folding electric bike might look small, but it's a giant on the streets. Made in Belgium with carefully selected parts and strict quality control, the Ahooga Max is going to be closely tested in today's video. We're going to talk about all the pros and cons of this innovative e-bike.
Welcome back to the BK42 cycles. Right off the bat, I want to tell you that riding the Ahooga Max feels just like riding a standard 26-inch bike. But this one is made to be super compact, comfortable and easy to store, and most importantly, it delivers performance.
The Max arrived very well packaged in a small and light box. I usually make step-by-step assembly videos, but this one came almost ready to go. Just install the left pedal, put on the saddle, unfold it, and it's ready to ride. Inside the box, you'll find a bag, the manual, additional lights, lubricant, keys, the left pedal, the battery charger, a wrench and the extra battery with cables. I'll start by saying that this bike stands out for its smart design and top-notch materials like the grips, hinges and all the frame welds. Even though it's very small and compact when folded, it comfortably fits people from 150 to 195 centimeters in height. Here's my friend Ralph, who's 194 centimeters tall, riding it comfortably. The version with the rear rack is very efficient for carrying light loads and even helps with folding the bike. If you need to carry more, the Ahooga website offers several accessories to choose from. Since it's a folding bike and weighs only 19 kilograms with the battery installed, it's perfect for those with limited storage space and also adds to security because it can easily be brought into an office, avoiding leaving it outside. After a dozen tries, I'm finally getting the hang of it. To fold it correctly, you need to follow the right sequence and position your hands properly. It's just a matter of time until it becomes easy. You'll be folding the rear section a lot since the Ahooga Max, like the famous Brompton bikes, doesn't have a kickstand. So, at every stop, it needs to be folded to stand upright. Even the aluminum pedals are foldable. When folded, it's very easy to transport it like a shopping cart, and since it's so light, stairs are no problem for this bike. It comes with a discrete 250 watts Bafang motor on the front wheel, which works up to a maximum speed of 25 km per hour in line with EU laws. It doesn't have a throttle and the speed is controlled. But honestly, this motor is enough. It's not the type of e-bike that will take you along with no effort. You need to pedal to activate the electric support. With speed and torque sensors, the pedal assistance is very efficient. With 5 levels of assistance, you can use it like a normal bike on level 0 or get much more help on level 5, depending on how you want to ride it. Even though the motor is on the front, I didn't find any issues with the weight distribution on the bike. However, sometimes, when starting the bike on the highest assistance level, the motor did slip a bit. So, it's better to always start on level 1 or 2. The internal LG battery of 36 volts and 6.89 amp-hour can be removed or charged directly on the bike. Because it's compact, many people won't even notice it's an electric bike. The battery is safe and charges quickly. For those who need to ride long distances without recharging, a great option is to get the 11.89 amp-hour attachable battery. However, if you do run out of charge, riding the Max home feels just like riding a regular bike thanks to its lightweight and the powerful Shimano Nexus 7 internal 7-speed hub. With internal gears and a chain tensioner, the chances of the chain falling off when folded are minimal. Riding mostly on level 2 assistance, I managed to get almost 30 kilometers on just the internal battery. Another thing I really liked about this bike is the Shimano hydraulic brakes with 160mm rotors. They are very efficient, stopping the bike quickly with minimal effort. They come well adjusted and don't make any noise. The aluminum frame design is undoubtedly very interesting, somewhat reminiscent of a BMX with even an aggressive touch. The double tube design is a game changer for stability. It locks the bike in on corners and it eliminates any wobbling. It's worth noting that the bike doesn't have suspension, and with thin tires, some bumps and jolts are inevitable. However, overall, it's very comfortable and enjoyable to ride. I rode through some wet patches and the plastic fenders worked very well, keeping me clean and dry. But this isn't a bike for off-road adventures. The 20 inches wheels with Schwalbe Big Apple tires are nimble, and the reflective strips increase safety when riding at night. Speaking of night rides, the bike comes with lights integrated into the central system, which automatically turn on when it gets dark. The Spaniga cob LED front light, shaped like the Ahooga logo, adds a special touch to the bike's design. but in terms of efficiency, it falls a bit short. It lights up the dark, but seems more effective for being seen rather than illuminating the road. That's why Ahooga includes an additional small front light, which really helps. The rear light, on the other hand, is very efficient. For added comfort, the Max comes with a high-quality Cell Royal saddle, and the seat post is quite long, offering multiple adjustment levels. Let's talk about the handlebars and their controls. On the right side, you have the gear shifter and the rear brake. On the left side, the front brake, a small bell, and the control for the assistance levels. The display is simple, showing just the battery status and the pedal assistance level, with buttons to turn the bike on and off and change the assistance level. I really like the simple display, but for those who need more information, it can be connected via Bluetooth to the Ahooga app, providing complete data like distance traveled, speed, and more. The Ahooga Max, in its basic version, costs €3,499. The version I have, with the rear rack and extra battery, costs €4,000. It's available in black, metallic gray, yellow, and white. Ahooga offers a 5-year warranty, and if you don't like the bike, you can return it within 30 days.
So let's talk about the price. It's crucial to understand the value of this bike. The Ahooga Max is built to last. They use only high-quality parts. And you can touch the quality, you can see the welds, the bike is really well made, plus it comes with 5 years warranty, which is really rare these days.
The frame has been developed and tested to withstand thousands of folds, ensuring comfort and quietness. It's a bike for those who appreciate quality and safety. Except for the parts specifically designed for folding, all other parts can be easily found in any bike shop. Pros and cons of the Ahooga Max. Pros: excellent build quality, highly portable, top-notch parts and components, powerful hydraulic brakes, good battery life and motor power, can be used as a regular bike, very comfortable to ride, 5-year warranty, good safety features. Cons: the front light is a bit weak, no suspension, sales are limited to Europe, cost could be a factor for certain buyers.
BK42 seal of approval? Absolutely.
Alright, that's it folks. If you have any questions, drop in the comments below. Thanks for watching, cheers!
All my life been looking for it. I think I found something to help with easing the pain. This voice inside my head